If you know about Cosmos DeFi, then you know about Kava. It's one of the first Cosmos ecosystem DeFi blockchains and also one of the first EVM compatible blockchains that allows traders to bring their Ethereum assets over to the Cosmos. And on the platform, you can stake, you can liquid stake, you can lend your tokens to the platform to generate additional yield and mint stablecoins and lend those stablecoins back to the platform and swap. There's all sorts of good stuff that you can do. It's also the home to native USDT. So whenever you're swapping into or out of Tether anywhere in the Cosmos ecosystem, know that it made its way into the Cosmos through the Kava blockchain. And the Kava token secures the network and allows those who stake that token to generate some additional yield on their portfolio. So today we are going to show you how to stake Kava tokens using the Trust Wallet browser extension. We are Atlas Staking, and we run infrastructure for and validate quite a few different blockchains, and you can learn more about us at atlas-staking.com. We're actually one of the original validators for the Kava ecosystem, and what you're seeing right here is our validator page on MintScan. This Trust Wallet staking tutorial is also available on our blog, so if you want to go through written instructions with photos, we'll leave a link to the tutorial down below. If you haven't already downloaded Trust Wallet, be sure to do so from their official website, which is trustwallet.com. Never search for wallet apps or financial apps by simply typing their name into the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, because scammers can get their fake wallets into the App Store, and you will not be reimbursed by Google or Apple if you get scammed. So you'll see right there on trustwallet.com, you can download the mobile app and the extension just by clicking those buttons. So let's get going. Open up your internet browser and then click on the Trust Wallet icon in the browser toolbar, which is that blue shield. When the wallet window pops up, enter your password and then click the button that says unlock. It's quite a bit easier to manage the wallet when you open up in the full screen browser tab. So tap those three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the wallet window, and then click the button that says view full screen to open up a new tab in your browser. You will land on your main position page, so go ahead and tap Kava to enter your Kava position page. Since you aren't yet staking, you'll see that it says native staking 0. Go ahead and click that button that says Get Started to start staking your Kava. On the next screen, click the button that says Stake Now. The next screen is the validator selection box, and wallet providers are slick. You'll see that Trust Nodes is the first validator on the list, and many people don't even realize that you can select your validator and they just simply go with the Trust Wallet validator because they don't even know that they have options, or they just assume that it's safer to stake with the Trust Wallet validator, and it's just flat out not. And as a matter of fact, sometimes the wallet provider validators lag behind the professional validators when it comes to upgrading during, network upgrades and forks and those kinds of things. And so we always encourage everyone to stake in the lower half of the active set, which helps any network decentralize. And that decentralized strength can actually translate into higher token prices. And so if you care about the value of your token, it makes good sense to help the network get stronger by staking with some smaller validators. So if you click the arrow to the right of Trust Nodes, the validator selection box will appear, and you can scroll down the list to find Atlas Staking, and then click our name and logo, and a green check mark will appear on the right-hand side indicating that you've selected us as your validator, and then click the button that says Done. On the next screen, enter the number of Kava tokens that you would like to stake, and then click the button that says Stake Now. Verify the details on the next screen, and then click the button that says Confirm. You will land on your transaction history page, and to navigate back to your Kava position, hit the Home button there on the bottom. Then from your wallet home screen, click into Kava. You'll see under the heading Native Staking that your tokens are staked, and then you'll notice that your available balance has decreased by the number of Kava tokens that you staked. and you'll see the transaction down there on the bottom of the wallet window. Thanks so much for staking with us. It's a good idea to keep track of your crypto transactions, not only so you can go back and find something when you need to, but depending on the country you live in, you'll owe income taxes on your staking rewards. In the United States, staking rewards are taxed like stock dividends, and so you'll need to declare those and pay taxes on that portfolio income. And we tested several tax platforms, and Coinly for crypto is our favorite. Not only are they adding support for blockchains quickly and consistently, they already have support for Kava. And so you can simply click a button that says sync, and it will pull all of the transactions in from your blockchain and label them correctly. And what we really like about Coinly is that you can use it free of charge until you decide to generate a report for taxes. And we'll put a discount link down below. But you can use the platform and see whether or not it works for you, and then decide later on down the road, or maybe at the end of the year, whether or not you want to generate a report for taxes. But anyway, it's a really great platform, and so we wanted to share it with you. Now you see just how simple it is to stake Kava tokens using the Trust Wallet browser extension. If you got something out of this video and you're watching it on social media, please hit the like or the thumbs up button, which will cue the algorithm to show this video to more people it can help. And if you're watching this on YouTube, certainly subscribe or follow us on X, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Have a great day.